You want some more peas? You ready? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Move your hand. Ready? Open up. Mmm. Oh, such a good bite. Such a good bite. You ready for more? Here comes more. Here you go. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. You'd still rather chew on that finger, huh? Here you go. Here you go.
And we found this everywhere. The TV station I wrote to when I was 12 years old, my parents would bring me here to intern.
Say, I love peas. I love my finger, but I love the peas. Hello. You want some more? Here you go. Here you go. Mmm.
And we found proof. First, Scott Gray, his 20-year factory job went to China.
Here you go.
He feared his skills were worthless.
I didn't know where I'd use them, It was scary.
But one Syracuse company didn't see it that way. They refurbished office computer networks and phones. So now, they're refurbishing laid-off workers.
These folks are left, and what am I going to do?
You actually pay to train them.
We bring them right on.
We found so much of this reinvention, even during a visit to my sister.
You're not supposed to have to tug too much.
Selling heirloom vegetables, in this economy she discovered few wanted to travel to farm. So she brought them